50 surprising uses for baking soda. Did you know that baking soda isn't just useful in the kitchen? This white powder has a host of applications that can make your life easier in unexpected ways. Today I'm showing you 50 ways to make the most of it. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to continue receiving practical tips like these. Tell us how you use it in the comments. Let's get started. 1. Natural substitute for deodorant. Some industrial deodorants can cause irritation or contain harmful chemicals. To prevent underarm odor without these products, baking soda is an effective option. Mix it with a little water and apply it to your skin to neutralize odors. 2. Teeth whitening. Commercial whitening is expensive and sometimes aggressive. If you're looking for a cheap and natural alternative, use baking soda as toothpaste to reduce stains. But be careful, it should not be done too often to avoid damage the tooth enamel. 3. Sponge disinfectant. Kitchen sponges accumulate bacteria and unpleasant odors with use. Instead of throwing them away, soak them in hot water with baking soda to clean them and extend their lifespan. 4. Absorbs odors in the refrigerator. It's normal for the refrigerator to accumulate unpleasant odors. Place a container of baking soda inside to neutralize them every time you open it. 5. Jewelry cleaner. Jewelry tarnishes over time, and professional maintenance can be expensive. Make a paste of baking soda and water, rub gently, and it will restore its luster. 6. Meat tenderizer. Some pieces are too tough. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface, let it sit for a few minutes, and cook. The texture will be more tender. 7. Facial scrub. Many exfoliants are expensive or too harsh for sensitive skin. A mixture of baking soda and water applied in circular motions leaves skin softer and fresher. 8. Coffee and tea stain remover. Mugs often leave stubborn marks. Scrub with baking soda and a damp sponge to remove them easily. 9. Drain unblocker. Drains can become blocked and smelly. Add baking soda followed by vinegar. The reaction helps unplug them quickly. 10. Bite reliever. The bites are itchy and uncomfortable. Make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to the affected skin to relieve irritation. 11. Shoe odor eliminator. If your shoes smell bad, sprinkle baking soda inside at night and the smell will be gone by the next day. 12. Kitchen surface cleaner. Countertops accumulate grease and grime. Scrub with a mixture of baking soda and water for easy cleaning. 13. Laundry bleach. White clothes can yellow over time. Add half a cup of baking soda to the washing machine to restore their whiteness. 14. Remedy for acidity. Heartburn is uncomfortable. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink it to neutralize the acidity. 15. Treatment for dry feet. The skin on your feet can become cracked and hard. Soak them in warm water with baking soda and they'll become softer. 16. Natural degreaser. Grease from pots and pans is hard to remove, even with strong soap. Sprinkle baking soda on the surface, add hot water, and scrub to loosen it. 17. Carpet odor neutralizer. Carpets trap unpleasant odors. Sprinkle baking soda on them, wait a few minutes, and vacuum them. The unpleasant smell will disappear. 18. Scalp scrub. Excess product or dryness can cause discomfort. If you need a deeper cleanse, add a little baking soda to your regular shampoo to remove residue and impurities. 19. Stainless steel polisher. Over time, stainless steel surfaces can lose their shine and become dull. If you notice that sinks or appliances no longer look shiny, make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to restore their luster. 20. Oven glass cleaner. Grease stains on the oven door are often difficult to remove. If scrubbing doesn't yield good results, use baking soda on a damp sponge to easily clean the glass. 21. Towel softener. Towels tend to become stiff and rough with washing. To restore softness, add half a cup of baking soda during the rinse cycle in your washing machine. 22. Toothbrush disinfectant. Daily use causes toothbrushes to accumulate bacteria and debris. To clean them, soak them in a glass of water and baking soda overnight. 23. Care for dry nails. Brittle, dehydrated nails look unhealthy. To strengthen them without expensive products, soak them in a mixture of baking soda and water. 24. Odor neutralizer in cat litter. Litter boxes often give off strong odors. To control them without harming your pet, sprinkle baking soda on the litter to reduce the unpleasant smell. 25. Tile joint cleaner. Dirt and mold accumulate in the grout even if you clean frequently. Scrub with a mixture of baking soda and water using a brush to remove accumulated grime. 26. Descaling agent for irons. With use, the iron accumulates residue that can transfer to clothing. To prevent this, rub baking soda on the surface and the residue will disappear. 27. Sink disinfectant. Sinks are a hotbed of grease, bacteria, and unpleasant odors. To clean them thoroughly, sprinkle baking soda over them and scrub with a sponge until they're clean. 28. Makeup brush cleaner. Brushes harbor bacteria and cosmetic residue. To clean them easily, soak them in warm water with baking soda and they'll be disinfected. 29. Shower curtain mold remover. Bathroom humidity encourages mold to grow on curtains. To clean them without replacing them, rub baking soda on the affected areas and the stains will disappear. 30. Color enhancer in clothing. Colorful clothes fade after several washes. Add a cup of baking soda to the laundry to restore their vibrant color without harsh chemicals. 31. Odor neutralizer in upholstery. Sofas and armchairs retain odors over time, especially if there are children or pets. To freshen them, sprinkle baking soda on them, let it sit for a few minutes, and then vacuum. 32. Cleaning stuffed animals. Plush toys accumulate dust and dirt, but washing them in water can damage them. Place them in a bag with baking soda, shake them, and then remove the excess dust. 33. Gentle wash for baby clothes. Common detergents can irritate babies' sensitive skin. Add baking soda to their laundry for a gentle clean without harsh chemicals. 34. Sweat stain remover. Sweat stains on clothing are difficult to remove. Apply baking soda and water to the area before washing and they will be easier to remove. 35. Red wine stain remover. Wine leaves stubborn stains on clothing or carpets. To remove them, apply baking soda to the area, add a little water, and rub gently. 36. Relief for sore throats. A sore throat from a cold or allergies can be uncomfortable. Gargle with warm water and baking soda to soothe the discomfort. 37. Barbecue grill cleaner. After a barbecue, the grill is left covered in food residue and grease. Sprinkle baking soda on it and scrub with a damp sponge for an effortless clean. 38. Car mat odor eliminator. Car mats accumulate dirt and unpleasant odors. Sprinkle baking soda on them, let it sit, and then vacuum to freshen them up. 39. Bottle and thermos disinfectant. Reusable bottles tend to retain bacteria and odors. Fill them with hot water and baking soda, let them sit for a couple of hours, and rinse them well. 40. Preservative for fruits and vegetables. Fresh foods spoil quickly due to external residues. Wash them with water and baking soda to remove pesticides and prolong their freshness. 41. Shower curtain disinfectant. Over time, curtains accumulate mold and dirt. Wash them in the washing machine with baking soda to sanitize them without having to replace them. 42. Odor eliminator in the trash can. Trash cans often give off unpleasant odors even after emptying. To prevent this, sprinkle baking soda in the bottom of the bin before placing the liner in the bin. This will help neutralize the odors. 43. Cleaning hairbrushes. Brushes accumulate grease, dust, and hair product residue. To clean them, soak them in warm water with baking soda for a few minutes, then rinse well. 44. Mattress Refresher. Over time, mattresses can absorb moisture and odors. To keep them fresh, sprinkle baking soda over the surface, let it sit for a few hours, and then vacuum. 45. Cutting Board Disinfectant. Wooden or plastic cutting boards accumulate bacteria from contact with food. To clean them naturally, scrub them with baking soda and water, then rinse them well, leaving them clean and odor-free. 46. Thick-skinned fruit cleaner. Fruits like oranges, melons, and watermelons accumulate residue and bacteria on their rinds. Scrub baking soda with a brush and water before cutting them to ensure a safe clean. 47. Car deodorant. If your vehicle has unpleasant odors, place an open container of baking soda under a seat. It will absorb moisture and unpleasant odors from the interior. 48. Dishwasher Refresher. The dishwasher can accumulate food residue and musty odors. Adding half a cup of baking soda to the empty cycle will help disinfect and eliminate unpleasant odors. 49. Odor reducer in the diaper pail. Used diapers have a very strong odor. Sprinkle baking soda inside the diaper pail to keep the environment fresher and more bearable. 50. Cleaning product for keyboards and controllers. Computer keyboards and controllers accumulate dirt in the grooves. Make a soft paste of baking soda and water, apply it with a cloth or cotton swab, and clean it without damaging the devices. Baking soda is a versatile product with multiple uses in everyday life. From eliminating odors to improving home cleanliness, its benefits are extensive. Which of these uses has surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments and remember to subscribe to continue discovering practical tips.